Awi, tengok apa ni? Ya, ada ulat.
I like to explore everything I see. As a child, curiosity leads me to find solutions.
爸，你看，有了这个以后，那些虫就不会吃我们的菜了。
这么厉害？
Nasiwa, you ambil ini. Junaidi, ini. Jom!
Every try is a step forward to grow, to build something bigger than ourselves.
They will speak to us. We just have to listen.
What's wrong? Am I an odd person having weird ideas? Why do people laugh at me? I try to listen. Listen to the beliefs in my heart and the ones who support me always. I believe finding solutions is still my dream. Someday, would the dream come true? Here it is, the moment that I have been waiting for. Now, I am ready to welcome the challenge. We pour everything into pursuing the dream.
Jody, can you pass me the medium one? Thank you.
We are again one step closer to our dream. But the dream seems out of reach.
Sorry guys, tomorrow I got exam, so I need to cabut first. Bye.
What?
Let's have a break.
Okay, let's go.
I go back to the origin to find what is the reason I started this journey. Finally, I realize there is a bigger picture behind every problem and solution. It should come with a purpose. Uncovering my own purpose drives me to carry on in the journey. And this is where the dream comes to reality.
And champion goes to the architect from Malaysia! Congratulations!
In life, we are chasing for something bigger than ourselves.
Ayo guys, cepatlah. Pa.
It happens when we believe.
In the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. This is our world, and this is our time. And these are our plans. We're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. We won't stop dreaming.